Sana po, sana po naman po at sa mga nanonood po sa atin ay ating pong bisitahin ang ating munting museo dito sa Museo de San Juan, sa gilid po ng San Juan Museo Church. Ito po ay para sa ngayong araw na ito hanggang December 12. Diniwag po natin na po yung festival ng 2024. And okay po ito. Nag-reserve yung mga nagkakalas po ng hapon. Muli, maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang kultura at sining bayan ng San Juan. Mabuhay ang San Juan.
I would like to express my deep gratitude to all of our guests from Montreal. Welcome to our home, San Juan, Batangas, which is rich in culture and arts. And it's our pleasure to have you here. Please enjoy our hometown, enjoy your stay, enjoy our Lambayok Festival. And by the way, this is our city. So again, on behalf of our Honorable Mayor Eldebrando Bibong Salud and also the Honorable Vice Mayor of San Juan, Batangas, Anthony Marasigan, and all of the members of Sangguniang Bayan, we welcome you with warm welcome, with full of gratitude, full of love, and enjoy your stay. Just enjoy your stay. Thank you, and God bless us all.